Next to Twilight Sparkle, we have Dora's grandma. Next to Dora's grandma, we have Arf from Puppy Dog Pals. Near the sofa, we have Daisy Duck.
The dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
She has a pretty pink bow and a blue bracelet,
The dairy-o, the wife takes the child.
as well as a purple blouse.
The child takes the
This is Pluto. He's Mickey's dog. He wears a green collar.
nurse takes
Woof,
the cow.
woof. Yay! Pluto!
Hi-ho, the dairy-o.
We have Mickey here. Mickey from Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Mickey's wearing his yellow shoes and red shorts. Ooh! Look who we found next to Pluto.
Dog takes the cat.
She's one of Cinderella's evil sisters.
The dog takes the cat.
She was really mean to Cinderella.
The cat takes the mouse.
Here's a question down below in the description. Let's figure out what her name is. Oh, look, we have a thief.
The mouse takes the cheese.
He's from
Hi-ho, the
101 Dalmatians. Oh no,
The
his
cheese
pants ripped.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese
Bye.
stands alone.
Bye, Sirty.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o.
Up in front, we have Zuma. He's an aquatic dog. He has an orange outfit. Next to Zuma, we have a fan shopkin. Isn't it so cute? Next to the fan shopkin, we have Rolly. Rolly has a red collar. Rolly's Bingo's brother, and they like to go on fun adventures while Bob's away. They're both from Puppy Dog Pals. Next, we have Minnie. She has a pink bow, a pink dress, and pink heels with polka dots. Why, hello! Oh, next to her, we have Chase! Chase is a police dog and a spy. He has a blue outfit. Hello, Chase! Hello! Woo! Next to Chase, we have a spooky ghost. And finally, we have a zebra. Oh, look! We found a Squishalicious. Let's see what's inside. Oh! We found a yellow cat with a clock on it. Can we find the same cat on the cover? Yes, it's right here. It's just in a different color. Here on the third level, we have Bob. He is the owner of Pissy, Bingo, Rolly, and he made Arf. Here we have Zuzu. He's the king's mother. He's from the Lion King. Here we have Gus. He's one of the mice that helped Cinderella. Then we have a pink monkey from the Little People. Then we have a mouse from the Littlest Pet Shop again. The mouse has a green bow. Next to the mouse, we have a kiwi shopkin. Isn't it so cute? Next to the shopkin, we have Kiko. Hola amigos, soy Kiko. Here we have a Cabbage Patch Kid. She has a pretty purple dress and a green present. Next to her, we have Tessa. She has her hair in a... Hello, I'm Tessa. We have Painter. He has the colors green and blue. Next to him, we have the one and only Cinderella in her pretty blue gown dress, ball dress. She wore this at the ball to meet her prince. Next to Cinderella, we have Smurfette. She's a girl Smurf. She has blonde hair and an orange flower in her hair. Then we have Violet from The Incredibles. Her powers are invisibility. We have Grandpa Pig. He's a sailor. He has a sailor hat, and it looks like he was in the mud earlier since he has a lot of muddy spots all over. Next to him, we have Dora. Hola chicos, soy Dora. Next, then we have Sky. She's the aviator dog. Hey, I'm Sky. Don't forget to subscribe. We have Minnie Mouse. She's wearing a red dress, red bow, and she has with polka dots, and she has yellow heels. We have George from Peppa Pig. It looks like he was jumping in the mud as well. He's all dirty. We have Donald Duck in his sailor outfit. He also has a red bow on his sailor shirt. Then we have Cody. He's wearing a yellow shirt with a robot on it.
Hello, I'm Cody.
Why hello? Who is here? Hello, it's me, Doc Mcstuffin.
Hello, Doc. Coming in.
I brought a little present for Leah.
Whoa, I'm sure Leah is going to love it. Let me help you. Whoa! It's a Doc Mcstuffin Toys Hospital surprise bag. Thank you, Doc.
You're welcome.
Let's see. Let's open it up.
Farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife. The farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child.
Gracias.
The wife
What is
takes
it?
the child.
It's Holly! Yay! It's Holly from Doc Mcstuffin, guys. Check it out. What is
The
it?
dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
Good job, it's a Teddy. And she got Pauline, and she also got a Teddy.
The dairy-o, the nurse takes the
Let's see if we can make it
cow
sense.
takes the dog, the cow makes
Yay!
the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog
So, do you guys remember what we got in the first surprise?
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog
We got
takes the cat.
some light blue candy.
Cat takes the mouse.
What about the second surprise?
The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese.
In the Squishalicious pack,
The mouse takes
we got a yellow cat with a clock on it.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
What did we get on the last floor? On the last floor, we got a Teddy and Holly the hippo. Alright guys, that's it for today. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And to keep up with all the magic here in the US Dreamland, remember to click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button. Until next time, with love and care from your friends here in the US Dreamland, bye!